8 ways that help burn fat. Weight loss tips for teenager and adult. These are just a few techniques you can start doing right now to boost your metabolism, especially if you're a youngster who wants to reduce weight. You've probably heard stories about folks who lost dozens of pounds by simply abstaining from carbonated beverages or walking for a few minutes each day. These are all small practices that, over time, combine up to make a big difference and speed up your metabolism. You can lose weight more quickly and easily by increasing your metabolism, and it will burn more calories. 1. Make an effort to raise your body movement. Sedentary people burn about 1/3 fewer calories every day. Taking advantage of every opportunity to exercise will help you burn more calories in a single day. Over time, small actions add up to a lot in terms of burning calories. The goal is to maintain a high level of activity throughout the day. Place post-it notes with the word "move" on them in places where you'll see them while sitting still. Then, whenever possible, go move. Here are some ideas for calorie-burning easy activities. You should be tapping your feet. Swing your legs back and forth. When you stand up, stretch. Use stairs instead of escalator or elevator. Park your vehicle on the far side of the lot and walk. Stand up and take a few walk while on the phone. Muscles should be contracted for a few seconds before being released. 2. Eat small food but frequently. According to study, eating small meals every 2 to 4 hours keeps your metabolism burning faster than eating larger, less frequent meals. When you eat little meals on a regular basis, your body is always working to digest and absorb the food, which uses energy. 3. Eat plenty of food that has a lot of healthy fat. You must first put it in if you want to feel better and reduce weight. Fat is not only delicious, but it is also required for optimum body function. By eating a variety of healthy fats throughout the day, you can significantly increase your calorie burning potential. Avocados, flaxseed oil, hemp seed oil, olive oil, salmon, albacore tuna, nuts, and seeds should all be part of your daily diet. 4. Make sure you drink plenty of cold water. Evidence suggests that your body burned more calories once it tried to increase your body temperature upon drinking ice-cold water. Staying hydrated will help your body's metabolic processes burn calories more quickly. Staying hydrated will help your body's metabolic processes burn calories more quickly. 5. Exercises that require you to bear weight. Lifting weights has a range of benefits for your metabolism. You can develop muscle mass by lifting weights. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, so it requires calories even when it is at rest, which helps the body's fat-burning enzymes expand. 6. Add some hot spices with a high hot content might help you burn calories faster. With just half a teaspoon of cinnamon each day, you can enhance circulation and keep blood glucose levels in check. 7. Increase the amount of protein you consume. Protein requires a more complex chemical breakdown by your body in order to be digested and used as fuel. Protein takes longer to digest, which helps to maintain blood sugar levels constant for longer, keeping you from overeating later in the day. You will burn more calories throughout the day if you eat a little protein at each meal and as part of your snacks. Number 8. The last but not the least recommendation, click the link at the description below, to download for free the copy of Dessert Recipe. 27 delicious recipe that quickly burn fat.